Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Qualcomm Bluetooth drivers with the device status Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problems with the error code 43. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search app ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then click mo lang itong open. And then dito sa settings yung pinakauna lang na system. So dito lang sa right side ay scroll down ka na. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung troubleshoots. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, dito lang sa other, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung Bluetooth. And then dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click to run. And then wait natin. So madadirect tayo dito sa help and support problems troubleshooters. So ang gagawin lang natin dito ay kailangan mo lang ipano yung step-by-step method procedure para ma-fix yung problems. Okay, so ipano mo lang step by step dito. So andito lahat yung mga procedures na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung problems. So once nagawa mo na yung method dito, so ang next step ay close lang natin to, and then close. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then dito sa search app, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung universal serial bus controllers. And then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa universal serial bus controllers ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung unknown USB device. Kapag may nakita kang unknown USB device, ang gagawin mo lang ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung ganyan. And then right click. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung uninstall device. So, kapag na-click mo na yung uninstall device, and then next ay close lang tayo. And then, dito lang ulit sa start menu, and then, kailangan lang natin pag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Qualcomm Bluetooth driver with the error code 43 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.